Can't really see a camera. Hey guys, what's up? I'm Bianca. Welcome to my channel if you don't know. Or hi guys, it's Bianca. Welcome back to my channel. Ew, slobber. So today I want to do a cute little get ready with me for, ow, you're beating me up. Rambo, 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 Rambo. Relax. Thank you. Come again. Today I want to do a cute little get ready with me for Santacon, even though, plot twist, I missed Santacon. Since Hanukkah was so early this year, it ended up falling on the day of Santacon. And if you don't know what Santacon is, because if you don't live in a big city or whatever, Santacon is a bar hopping event where everyone dresses up as Santa or an elf or Buddy the Elf to be particular, or the Grinch, but it's mostly Santas. And you just go around and bar hop and wait on tremendously long lines, but it's fun because you're with a bunch of Santas and everyone gets each other into the holiday spirit, and I love that because I need all of the help to get into the holiday spirit. It's already the middle of December and I literally not even a cinch of Christmas in my house, or just, I mean, like I just can't get into it and I don't know why. So I'm hoping this video brings me into it because I already have a Santa costume that I didn't get to wear or take pictures in this year and I'm so sad. Without any further ado, let's just hop right into becoming a fabulous, cute, beautiful little Santa Claus. Slutty Santa. We love a slutty Santa. Let's just get into it. Already did my hair. I actually cut it the other day by myself. I don't think that I'm gonna do foundation because my skin, one, needs a break from foundation and two, it doesn't look bad today, so I'm just gonna like dab a little bit of concealer on. Let me spray my face first, I guess. I don't know, I have like rosacea, so I get like little spots and like blood vessel poppings like on my face sometimes, which is weird because when I went to the dermatologist, she was like, oh, the only way you could fix it is getting laser. And I'm like, what does that even mean? Like, am I in Star Wars? So I have like a blood vessel that's popped like in the inside of my nose that you guys can't see on camera, but I notice it all the time. So I always put concealer on it because I don't want people to think like I have a booger or something. So just a little dabbly-do of concealer. Don't feel like putting foundation on, especially since I'm not actually attending Santacon because, again, plot twist, it already happened. Eyebrows are done. Obviously, I'm not doing foundation like I said before, but I'm gonna go in with, it's just like ColourPop's Super Shock Cheek and Wisp. I don't know, it's a highlighter. I use it underneath my eyes and sometimes I'll use it like kind of in the corners as like a little eyeshadow, but like really only in the winter because it's kind of like a holiday-ish color. It's like super copper, as I don't have any foundation on. Like, this is probably a recipe for disaster. Before I do my wing, another little baked highlighter thing. This is from e.l.f. I kind of mixed the top two together and then I put them over here. Cute and glowy and look like a Christmas tree, even though you still didn't attend Santacon, but you wish that you did. Bronzer, bitch. Okay. Bitch, what the fuck? Most of my lipsticks that I wear every day, like my lip liners and all that stuff, are in my pocketbook because I always circulate from like the same 5 and I have so many more. They're all in the same color family though, because like we learned from James Charles, the best lippy for you is the color of your nipples. This is not the color, but it's metallic and I feel like we need a nice fun metallic lip because it's the holidays and we're trying to get ourselves excited instead of depressed. Okay, so I'm gonna use like a pretty metallic ColourPop lip. This color is Man Eater. Perfect. I'll put on my Santa costume because, you know, we're already fashionably 5 days late to Santacon. The best part about this costume, besides how comfy cozy it is that it's a size boys youth 14 size 12. You get the point. So here we go. Cute little, this is perfect. Like, I know it's literally felt, but you pull it as tight as you can, and ooh girl, we got a snatched waist. These little pants, obviously they don't fit me all the way, so I cuffed them into capris. And if I were actually going to Santacon, I would wear black thigh highs or black knee-high socks, and then wear a pair of boots or cute little, you know, like booties, but no heels, because you're gonna wait online for a long time. You're gonna regret those heels. So obviously, again, this is just a pullover top, and it is a little boy's youth, 12 to 14. You just pull it over, snatch your waist up with the little felt belt and the little capri pants, throw on a cute pair of high socks, and boom, you're Santa. Okay, now let's show you in this cute mirror too, because it's brighter over here, and I did my makeup in this mirror, so why not? This little pouch is not my stomach, by the way. It's like, this material is really, it's literally felt. Like, do you remember the, what was it, like arts and crafts in school? It's literally made out of that material. So if you're gonna go out on the town and wear this or something like this, I suggest wearing, again, either thigh high socks, or like literally put a pair of leggings underneath here, because they are, it's like construction paper. Here's a different angle of the look and my face. So here's my cute little, love this. This is like my favorite part, is that you're able to make your waist look snatched, even though it is a size 12 to 14 boys costume. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed my Santacon get ready with me, even though I am literally in my house. That's fine. If you don't want to go out and be festive, be in your house and be festive. December is the best time to be in your home, and I guess with your family or your friends, or if you don't have a fun family, tight-knit family, you always have friends, or you always have me, I don't know, you could reach out to me, we'll talk, we'll be buddies, we'll be friends. Love that. Hope you guys enjoyed this Santacon cute little video trying to get myself and you guys into the holiday spirit. So without any further ado, if you like this video at any point, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and follow me over on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
My list, the gifts you're receiving from me will be one awkward silence.